Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on your Realme Neo7. Okay, so let's begin. So I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process. So simply open the app, in here select your language, then click on this green button. Now click on agree and continue. You can allow WhatsApp to send you notifications, and now you need to type your phone number right in here and verify. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second. Alright, I am almost done. Okay, once you have verified, you will have something like this. Okay, now we have contacts and media. Click on continue, click on allow, and allow all or limited access. And now, as you can see, we have this looking for backups. And now we have option to restore our chats. Okay, below we can see how long ago the last backup was made. Below also we have the sites and the account on which it was made and on which it is stored right now. So please make sure that you are currently logged into the same Google account on your phone. Otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. And okay, now you need to click on restore, and if you don't do it now, you won't be able to restore later. You can also read it right in here. Okay, so click on restore. Now the process will start. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, so as you can see 10 messages has been restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name. I'm gonna leave it just like it is now. And if you want, you can add your profile photo right in here by clicking this button. Okay, now click on next. Alright, and now as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.